Hello dear traders, welcome back into our channel and so sorry for being late. Actually it's been almost 3 months I was not active on YouTube because I had some other work to do. So right now I am ready with our website. So I just wanted to share that website with you so that we can start using that website and we can start sharing the charts with each other so that we can post it and we can trade accordingly. Okay, so now I'm just going to share the website with you so that I will just go through the website so that you can understand how to use it. I will just open that link. So basically this is the link. Okay, I will share in our description from where you can access it. So once you open this link, right, you will see this our website. So this website is nothing but our home page where you can see our starting video where you can see what it contains. And once it gets started, right, so just let's case. So once it gets started, right, so here you can see about our website, what we are going to cover in this and what are the parts we have. So if you go down, these are the features actually: triangle pattern, channel pattern, candlestick patterns, and trend line, right? So these are already discussed in previous videos. So in this video, basically I want to cover the things which we are going to use and how we are going to use. That's I will show you. So I am providing the free course as I already mentioned in one of our video. Also DDT chart community, and if you have any kind of questions or anything, right, just contact me via this email address. Just drop out an email so that I can get back to you. So if you want to see visit our DDT chart community, right, just click on visit now. And after coming here, right, so you will get a login page as well as the register page. Okay, so if you don't have account, please log in from here and just create one account. After creating one account, you will get an email to activate your account. Once it's activated, you can directly log in. So for me, as of right now, I already have one account with me, so I will just log in with that. Just let me log in. Okay, so once I logged in, right, so you will land into the basically latest charts portion. Okay, so here for the testing purpose I already uploaded the charts just for the testing purpose. Once we start using it, basically we'll start posting the channels, and these are the strict rules which we need to follow. Please kindly go through it. If bad image or comment you are posting in our website, you will be banned for the lifetime without any warning. So be cautious about it. Okay, so because I just want to avoid the noise and just make sure that everyone getting the benefited out of it. And the way I am doing trading, you can just share your charts. I will also share my charts. If I like any chart, I can approve that chart. Suppose I like this chart, right, I will click on approve button so that you can see this chart as approved under all charts, approved by admin. As well as if you go to approved charts, right, instead of going through all the charts, you can see this charts which is already approved. Okay, so these are the things which we need to follow, and this is the website which I am going to share in our job description, this video description. So from there you can access it. So if you go to the DTT community, right, and basically our home screen, from here you need to access that. Okay, from visit now you will go to the community page. If you come back from visit now, which is a free course, from here you can access the course. So triangle pattern, right, how we can trade the triangle pattern. So this video is already available in our YouTube channel, but the thing
Okay,
is
that's also working.
that I'm just providing from here just because you can access from here without going to the YouTube channel. From this website only you can access it. Okay, so I already shared this things in our one of our introduction video. Also, if you want to join our Telegram channel, please join using this button. If you click on this, right, it will open the web page where you can view in a Telegram and you can join from there. Also, if you also the indicators, right, which I already provided, like DTT intraday zone, swing zone, and CPR indicator and CPR swing. So I will make video on this indicator, CPR and CPR intraday and CPR swing, how to use it, the way I use it. But the thing is you can access from here. So basically just go here, click on use now. So once it open, right, once it open, just go down and click on add to favorites, and you can access from the TradingView. Okay, so this is what this website is all about. And this is pretty much interesting thing actually. So once we start using this website properly, I'm pretty much sure like we can share our charts with each other so that we cannot miss the charts, because see there are like 200 300 stocks or also 500 stocks. Each of you can go through the stock list and share the triangle pattern, channel pattern. If I like it, I will mark it as I approve. Also I provided one like button. If you are like a good trader, right, who are feeling that this chart is good, just click on this like button, so that like that will get like, and you can see here also like this like button. So if you have multiple likes on one chart and also approved by admin, right, that is a good chart to trade with. Also you can see the comments here. If you click on the hide and unhide, right, these are the comments. If you want to comment on the chart, or if you have any doubt, just come here, just mark here video text like this, suppose. So once you add here, right, so you can see this video text, so the comment. So once you comment here, if you have any doubt about this chart, ask that member who posted this chart. Or anyways, if feeling you want to ask me. Anyways, I'm watching this website throughout the day, so that like I can monitor the activities and also we can trade accordingly with properly. So this is all about our website, guys. So please kindly visit this website once it's available in our job description, sorry, video description, and you can use it. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please comment below in our video section, as well as feel free to email me, so that like I will touch base with you if you have any kind of doubts. Okay, so meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly do subscribe. If you are liking our content, please like it. Till then, be safe and take care of yourself. Now we'll connect on our website and we can use that website very properly. Okay, till then, bye bye.